Okay, we're going to head into the kitchen here at 9308 Brock Road. Looks like it's an eat-in kitchen. You know, room for a table with probably 6 chairs would work at the most. Nice light fixture. Got tall ceilings. Little island, enough for 2, maybe 3 stools at the most. Nice pantry cabinet there with a couple drawers on the bottom. Extra deep cabinet above the fridge. 2-door fridge here. It does have it's a Kenmore ice maker and all that. Got a little appliance garage here. This cabinet on the countertop. It is laminate countertops, and they look newer. Probably not original. Got a nice casement window there above the sink. Little pot rack attached to the wall up there. Got a Whirlpool microwave. Black Whirlpool electric range. Looks like it says steam clean on there, so it's self-cleaning and all that. There's convection on it. And then it's a Kenmore dishwasher. It says Ultra Wash Quiet Guard Deluxe. Got ceramic tile flooring here in the kitchen. There's your island cabinetry. And there's a nice bookshelf here on the wall in the kitchen. And then we're going to head into, you got the laundry area, which is kind of open to this kitchen space. Got this nice little nook back here for all the things to hang up. Now this bookshelf, looks like those are just old shutters that they made into a rack there. And now the bookshelf is not attached. I don't know if it would stay. Cabinets above the dishwasher. Got a coat closet back here. Nice doors. These are real wood 6-panel doors. And here's your half bath. Little shelf. It's got ceramic tile flooring all the way back in here. Wood mirror. Looks like brushed nickel lighting and fixtures. Got the garage door back here too. Oh, the screen door. Now the garage, they got a lot of equipment in here, but it's slightly bigger than a normal 2-car garage, but not a whole lot bigger. Got a door, looks like going out to the back from the garage. Since I'm back here, let's see here. This is a pocket door. So you got a little pocket door here separating the great room from this laundry area. And this laundry area also leads down to the basement. So we'll head down there. Finished basement. Looks like Berber carpeting here on the steps. Okay, this looks to be like just a little electric heater. I don't know that that stays either. It's just plugged in. So, it's a nice tall basement. Just ceiling tiles. Can lights in the tiles. Gerber carpeting looks to be in good shape. A little bit of rough edges on the walls, but not too bad. A couple of shelves there attached to the wall. They do have this TV attached to the wall with some speakers. Lots of nice shelves back here in the basement attached to the wall. Pretty organized here. Let's see what's back here. Okay, here's your sump pump, your water treatment system. Oh, they do have poured walls for your foundation, so that's nice. Looks like they have a battery backup for the sump pump. Very neat, clean. They've even got a little chart here, which looks like they keep good records on what they're doing to their septic and their well. Now, of course, with a lot of the basement being finished, you're not going to be able to see what's going on behind all of these walls, but there's no smell or anything, no mustiness or anything like that. That's the crawl space. I'm not sure where the light switch is. It might... Let me see if it's back here. No, that didn't do it. Well, unfortunately, I can't figure out where the switch is. Oh, it's up on the ceiling. There's a switch up there on the ceiling, which I can't reach. If you guys were here, I know you could. You're tall. But, you know, it's covered with insulation, so it's really going to be hard to see what's going on behind those walls. I don't see any evidence of moisture. You know, it smells like a typical crawl space. There's a slight musty smell, but I don't see anything that looks wet, doesn't smell moldy or anything like that. So, and then right behind here, oh, they've got a pipe going through here, so that's why that's their plumbing stack, it looks like, and so that's why they've got it sectioned off in here. Okay, so I was just back in there in that corner. And here's the unfinished part of the basement. You have lots of storage. You got poured walls. There's a teeny slight crack there, but it does not look like there's any kind of movement. It's normal to have some slight cracks, but it does not look like it's bowed or anything like that. Doesn't smell or anything. Looks pretty clean. Oh, that should be a whole house vacuum there, I think. I don't know if it's completely connected, but here's their electric panel. They already had it open, so that's kind of handy. It's all labeled. Oh, they had it inspected in 2007. Might see if they can provide that, a copy of that for us. That might be helpful. Here's one of their windows. They've got a window down here in the basement. Normal size window. It does look like there's a little bit of staining or something here under the window, but it doesn't feel wet. It looks old. So who knows, that could even be from when the house was built. I don't think it's anything necessarily to worry about. Over here to their Rheem Guardian hot water tank. It says gas water heater. Looks like that's who did the work on this. Oh, it looks like it was 2013, just installed. Lennox furnace. I got that sticker on here. You also got this Yahtzee Heating and Cooling. There's an air duct cleaning company. So it looks like they had those cleaned at some point. The back wall that's of the finished room. So you've got some built-in storage here. Alright, let's get out of this basement and go see what the rest of the house looks like. Go ahead and go through the living room here. Nice windows here on each side of the fireplace. That's a tall fireplace mantle. Really pretty. It looks like it's a wood burning. Pretty big one too. A nice deep box. Get a nice big fire in there. I'll do the outside when I'm done. But there is a door here in this great room to the outside. Single door. Alright, so it looks like we've got ceiling fan here and the, I guess the master or first floor bedroom. Okay, and you get the shower stall here. And it does have some staining, probably from their water. Must have hard water. A little bit of staining on this plastic shower. Got ceramic tile in here too. Got your toilet back there. It's got its own door. You got double doors leading in here into the bathroom from the master, or from the bedroom, first floor bedroom. And here is the closet. Now the sinks both look nice and clean. They don't really have any, no, actually this one has a teeny bit of staining just around the drain there. The tub looks pretty good. I don't see like any of the rust staining in the tub really. All right. Alright, we're going to head upstairs now. Got this wood here with Berber going up the middle. Okay, here's this door. This is Jack's room. Nice big room. Okay, cute. It's got the dormers up here, little bench. So you got the ceiling fan. Nice and bright in here. And a nice big closet. 3 doors on that closet. Just a normal closet rack in there. And while we're up here, we'll get a look at the neighbor's yard. And then one nice thing too is the driveway does have that extra space there for parking cars. Nice wide driveway back here. Alrighty. Nice chair rail molding. And the next bedroom. Again, has another dormer here. Closet. Nice big closet again. Okay, this one's the one that goes over the stairs. And it looks like you've got your attic access through there. Okay, closet's not quite as long as the other bedroom, but it's still a good sized closet. Nice, these doors are really nice. A few little scratches on the doors here and there, but they're not too bad. They're in pretty nice shape. Okay, you got that dormer window. This bedroom's bigger than the first floor one, so it kind of looks like maybe they're using this as the master, because that's a king size bed. You got your hallway bathroom. Oh, nice long vanity there. It's the whole width of this bathroom, or length. Nice big wooden mirror. And then kind of separate area with the toilet. Looks like there's a linen closet in through there. And then here's your tub upstairs. And this is a plastic tub, and again it's showing, I don't know how well this lighting will look, but it's showing a little bit of, it's really hard to see, a little bit of staining, probably like a rust looking stain, probably from your well water. That's the fan. So they've got this plastic tub, and then they got some tile up above. Vinyl flooring in here. Okay, we got this last bedroom down here at the end of the hallway. So this one has the other long dormer window. Another ceiling fan. Nice and bright in here too. Another window. This one has like a double closet. Let's see if it goes all the way through. No, it does not go all the way through. There's a closet here. Pretty long closet though. And then another closet here. Yeah, both nice long closets. So, okay, so we're going to head out to the backyard. I'll take that as a separate video.